Hi everybody, welcome to my video. A lot of people have been asking me to do another video and I'm really sick and don't feel like going outside in the rain to record my birds. So I've decided to do a video showing you guys my breeding records, which is super exciting. Most of you will probably say that breeding records are stupid and you don't need to do them. What's the point? They don't make any sense. And to that I would say usually you're extremely correct. For most people they're just annoying and there's absolutely no point in doing them. But for me, I'm the type of person who likes recording information, being able to bring up whatever data I want on my birds. Back when I was breeding budgies for sale, it was really handy to keep track of my breeding pairs and all that kind of stuff. I obviously don't use it for budgies anymore, but it's still super handy. Okay, so my breeding records. I use Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. You can use books or palm card type things. I tend to lose or end up chopping up a piece of paper when I get bored, so I find the computer works better. I do a separate Excel spreadsheet for every year, and I have each species gets their own tab down the bottom. Also, I'm super sick right now, so if I sneeze or sniff or cough, I'm really sorry. Okay, let's show you what to do. I'll use the starfinches for example. Okay. Okay, so basically how I set it up. I usually have the date the birds were paired. If I put them into a breeding cabinet, I put that date down. That's just to let me know how long it took the birds to start mating or such after they were paired together. If it's in an aviary, I just put the date the two birds went into the aviary, all that kind of stuff. The next tab I have the hen's name or ID number or however you identify the bird. Then I have the male's name identification. I have the egg numbers in order, which is actually more handy than it sounds, but I won't even try to explain that. The status of the egg. So in here, when I check the fertility of the egg, I'll put fertile, not fertile, unknown, cracked, dropped, eaten, destroyed, fostered to another nest, whatever status updates I need to put on the egg go in that column. Beside that, I put the date the egg was laid, if I know it. That just gives me a good idea of the date I think it's probably going to hatch, so I'm prepared. I don't just walk into the aviary and like, oh my god, a baby bird, which I do all the time actually. Next is the mutation. I still have that in there from when I bred budgies. For finches, it's not as useful. Budgies have a lot more, obviously, a bajillion mutations and colours, so it's very handy for budgies. Starfinches only have 2 mutations, and I've never gotten a yellow one, so I don't usually write in there. Next column is I put the sex of the baby bird, and I put the age sold if I sell it, the buyer's name, the buyer's phone number. All this is just to keep track of who and when I sell birds to, and then I have a notes column for any interesting, memorable things that happen. So that's basically it. I've got some more things that you might find interesting, but I won't bore you forever. So thanks for watching my video. Follow my Instagram, aussie.avery. Subscribe to my channel. One of my diamond doves just hatched, so just go check out that. It's really adorable. Thanks guys. See you later.